Oh shit. Looks like there's a GTR. Oh, okay, we gonna pull up right now. I'm gonna get with you guys in a minute, all right?
All right, well, go hit a 20 first, do whatever, come back and dig, and then do your fucking 40, 60, whatever.
Turning it up or what?
Yeah, just open it tomorrow.
Big old bottle.
See what happens.
See what happens. Acura. I see her. I thought she was gonna want to run for a second, but guess not. So I threw my thing in the custom real quick just in case. You know we gotta stay ready, so you ain't got to get ready, man. Words to live by. But we on our way right now to go meet up with my boy Chris. He has a little run set up right now, man. He's gonna run a cammed Vette Z06. And he drives a, I believe it's a 2013 or 14 Mustang GT, full bolt-on, big ass tires, sticky as hell. And I'll let him explain to you what he has if he wants to tell you guys. But that's all I will say. It's a full bolt-on Mustang, and he's going up against a C6 Z06, full bolt-on and cammed. So man, hey, that thing is a beast. So we gonna see, man. I'm not sure if they're doing it for money. Damn, is this the line for In-N-Out, bro? Y'all really that crazy for In-N-Out? God damn. That's wild. Look at this In-N-Out line. You guys are tripping, bruh. I am never... Bro, what the fuck is really going on though right now? I am never waiting in a line that long. I don't care what you guys are serving. I don't care if it's pasteles or anything, bro. And I don't really eat that stuff no more. That is wild. Yo, that's wild as hell. I don't know what's going on in In-N-Out right now, but it ain't never that good. For a line that long, that's like a hour wait right there, bro. That's crazy. In-N-Out's getting paid though, I'll tell you that much. Hey, welcome to Cali, guys. It ain't even that good, bro. In-N-Out is fire. Let's just talk about this real quick. In-N-Out is fire. Don't get me wrong. It smells fire every time I pass it, but it is not that good. Y'all act like In-N-Out is the best burger place ever. Like, you know what I'm saying? It's fire. Don't get me wrong, like I said, but it's not that good though. Like, to have that long of a line, that is crazy. Unless there's some sort of special, like they giving out free burgers or something. That's what it looks like. But that's wild. Anyways, let's get back to the subject at hand. Uh-oh, what's that? Oh, that's a Tesla. Almost looked like a Porsche. Yeah, like I said, gonna be a dope race. I don't know if it's for money. I'll let my boy Chris explain it to you guys. We're on our way to meet up with him right now. It's gonna be sick though, man. It's probably gonna be a dig too, because I know they both like to do digs. Chris is set up for digs, and the Vette, I'll put his page, I'll tag him in here too, so you guys can go follow him, because he has a sick car. I've had him in a couple of my videos before. Not him personally, but his car. Oh shit, looks like there's a GTR. Oh, okay, we gonna pull up right now. I'm gonna get with you guys in a minute, all right? You guys see it? Got the GTR out here. I'm about to race a GTR. No, I'm just kidding. Got the fresh GTR, and then you see my boy Chris right here. Okay, big old cow hood. That's fire. Uh-oh. The wheels, look at the wheels, bro. Those are too hard. The calipers. You guys already know what's going on. You guys see the crew. Go follow the crew, right? So this is the owner of the GTR right here. You want to shout out the IG or anything like that?
It's Mike_Juice.
Mike_Juice. Go follow him, man. You can check out the GTR. Thing is crazy. Look at the fitment and all that. Dope wheels. Used to have the wing on it too, huh?
Yeah, I just took it off because I was like doing like test passes and I just been too lazy to put it back on.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that thing's hard, bro.
You guys ready to go?
Yeah, let's get it, man. And you already know Chris. Chris is right here, bro.
Let's get it.
He's about to get it. Hey, so is this a money run or?
I don't know. We'll see out there.
We'll see out there. I didn't tell him anything you had. I was like, yo.
Oh, you're all good. We'll be spraying and everything.
There it is. You guys heard it. Let's get it. Damn, I gotta put gas. That is a bust. All right, we taking off and I gotta go put gas. Damn, I'm a bust. And let me tell him, but you guys see it, man? We're out here with the GTR. Got Chris right here too. In the Stang. Let me tell him I gotta put gas real quick. Hey Chris, I just realized I fucking don't have any gas, dude.
No gas?
I'm gonna just put like 20 bucks real quick.
Go take it off. I'll cruise it. I'll go slow.
Okay, I'll meet up with you guys. See if we can catch up. That's a 2013 GTR right there. We'll see what happens. We'll see if we get a little fun run in or something, you know? Might as well. We're gonna be in Mexico anyways. I already know he'll smoke me, but you know, it's all for fun. Just to see how the Scat could do. And he said he's tuned by the same place that, well, he didn't say it was the same place as Freshhkiicks, but if you guys are familiar with Freshhkiicks, then you know he got his GTR tuned in Oxnard, and I'm pretty sure there's only one main guy that tunes GTRs in Oxnard, and that's the same place that my boy right here went to, so you know it's a good tune. We got the Daytona right there. Yeah, I see you. You guys think's gonna win, man? We got the full bolts-on Mustang. I think it's a 13 or a 14 with the nitrous, or the C6 Z06 full bolt-on and cammed. Place your bets now, man. Make your predictions. What you guys think, man? I don't know. You know Chris is my boy. You know, if you guys know me, then you know I want that Z06, man. That might be the next whip for the channel. And I'm gonna do a similar build. You know, I want to keep it probably NA, but you never know what the future holds. So I don't really know which way to go, man. You know, I'm leaning towards my boy Chris, because that's my boy. You know what I'm saying? But it's gonna be a good run. That's all I know. But like I said, make your predictions, guys. Place your bets in the comments. Tell me what you guys think. Is it gonna be the Mustang on NOS FBO, or is it gonna be the cammed Z06? Should be a good one. We're getting close to Mexico, so we're gonna see if we can get a run in with the GTR. That was definitely a Monica. We all expected that. I looked over and he just said, I expected that. I looked over at him and I said, gave him the thumbs up to see if he was ready. He just said, go ahead, buddy. That motherfucker took off, bro. Pretty much what we expected. You guys see it though. There's the cammed vet. pretty much what I expected, dude. That's why when I looked over at you.
That's why I told you, I was like, go, I'm just gonna I'll try to see what I can do.
Yeah, that's just funny. I expected that. I just wanted to get it in for shits and giggles.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
You want?
Dig first and then go from there.
What up, guys? How's it going, man? Chilling. How's it going, man?
I'm Jake.
Louie.
Yeah,
Nice
I
to
didn't
meet
meet you when you came to the shop.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I know.
I went over there. You're the other owner, no?
Sir.
Nice, nice. Yeah, you guys do good work, man.
Try it, man.
What works better for your
Hell
car?
yeah.
20?
Normally, it's really on nitrous. I've never ran on nitrous. So I would do 40s, but I tried 40s and it just spins the tires. I can't do 40s.
You guys dig or rolling first?
Let's do a 60. Let's try a 60 just to see what happens.
It's pointless.
Is it?
I got 373 gears. They're still top end. Want to try 20?
You got that big ass manifold. What do you mean no top end?
All right, well, go
373 gears.
hit a 20 first, do whatever, come back and dig, and then do your fucking 40, 60, whatever.
What gears does this come with normally?
355, something
Bro,
like
I
that.
got a 390.
Yeah, I got 373, so.
To be a good one.
Get it close to 900.
Turning it up or what?
Yeah, just open it in the bottom.
Big old bottle.
See what happens. This will worth it.
See what happens. Yeah, gold right there, huh? Hell yeah. Purge boys.
For NA car, man, it fucking flies.
That fucker flies, bro.
25 at the tire, just that's cam, top bottom end.
Hell yeah, that's goals right there.
Make some fucking steam, man.
Hell yeah, it does.
Light, man. Light, aerodynamic. He's got 390
Long ass
gears.
beard still.
No, short as fuck. His stock
I didn't
gears.
purge right before, so nitrous didn't come on.
Oh,
Oh, you're going on motor? No, I didn't purge right before, so there was a lot of air bubbles.
It was on. So I was gonna get this air out of line.
Yeah.
Liquid, you know.
from what I hear, it's the fastest NA car in the area.
You know, along the lines of newer cars, probably.
Yeah.
But there's a lot of old heads out here.
Older
with
ones.
Some badass rides around.
Right.
That they're fast as fuck.
Fast
I mean,
as
we have
fuck.
an NA one, an NA Nova in town.
Oh yeah.
He does brackets, but he runs 10-0s NA.
Oh, shit.
Just bracket racing.
What does he run?
So he hasn't ran on the new setup yet.
Oh, okay.
His old setup, he did 11.3 at 130. I want to say. That was he was at 506 wheel then.
Oh.
So he's got the new cam and the heads and the gears now.
Yeah.
So it's a 9-second capable car, but consistently, and obviously being a stick car, it's always harder.
Right, right.
So I think he'll probably be consistent low 10s.
Low 10s?
Yeah.
That's good though, man.
No, it's solid.
That's
It's
solid as
especially
fuck.
for not having a power adder, it's very solid.
Right.
The car has a lot of potential.
Yeah, that thing's a beast.
He's just gotta. He needs seat time and
Dial it in
just,
good.
yeah, that's it. Exactly.
All right, so he didn't purge on the first one right before he ran, so you know them bubbles were right there. The nitrous didn't come on, so they're about to run it again.
Same thing, 20.
Let's do a 20.
Okay.
It's like the vet, barely. That was a good one. It looked like the vet got him just barely.
The vet looked like he came up on him though.
Yeah, at the end.
He was, yeah, I would say the Mustang was like half car ahead, like right about here.
Yeah, fuck, that was a good one though.
That was a good one, bro.
race.
And then I was gonna catch up, and then I missed 50 seconds.
Attaboy. Way to go.
Oh, you got-
The roll, top end, these fucking vets.
Fly.
Yeah, from my point of view, it was like I saw like 2 cars ahead of me. He was on the roll and then on the dig. I got him on the dig, but I don't know if he spun or what
Like a
happened.
bust to me.
Missed second?
On the roll, it was good, and then I missed second on the trying to dig. Yeah.
We
And
could,
also, it's hard to honk and try
You
to
guys
dig
should
at the same
get in
time.
another dig with a flagger over.
Yeah, let's do that. Let's do
Yeah.
that. Just let the cars go down a
Yeah,
little
I'll
bit.
say, you guys chill for a second. And...
Yeah.
In the dig? I don't know. It depends if he can hook, bro.
I got my boy right here.
You got Chris?
He hooks better.
Yeah, he does hook better. Like clean hook. If it's a clean run, I don't know, bro.
If he hooks, then him, you know?
It's gonna be interesting. Yeah.
Mind taking an Instagram video for me?
Yeah, for
Cool,
sure.
thank you, bro.
Got you. Fucking guys, Yeah, it is. The vet for the win. He hooked on that
Yeah,
one.
I'll say he hooked up good.
All right, here we go again.
This one's a real one.
This is the real one. He turned the nitrous off on the burnout and he forgot to turn it back on.
Spray worked that time, but I missed second.
Yeah, and you don't want to just.
I don't want to just hit it because when I hit it and nitrous comes on, it just like goes straight to the rev limiter.
Yeah.
You missed second on that last one, or
Third.
oh, you missed
The
third.
thing is, I was trying to baby it. I was trying to just punch it after third, but
Well, I mean, fuck, that shit's probably harsh, you know?
That
like,
shit's
once
beast.
nitrous comes in, you're like, fuck. Like, you already know it's already kind of.
yeah, like I know when it's gonna come in, but I'm trying to baby it, but fuck, I just gotta probably floor it.
For keeping up with that Z though, bruh, this shit's a beast.
So on the good roll we did,
You guys,
my 2
you
cars was I was around his ass, he didn't move no more forward. And then we did a dig, and the other dig I did hella good. And I
Yeah.
was gone.
It just felt right, huh?
Yeah, that one felt right. And then, but that one I kind of eased it into it, you know, like I rode the clutch.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
And then here it was just, I don't know.
that's how it is with those digs though, bro. You know,
Yeah, that's.
it's always
when you're
different,
losing
dude.
In the 60 foot, that's it.
It's
I'm
always
just trying to do
different.
what-
All right, so you guys seen it, man. Some good runs. That Z's no joke, man. So for Chris to even like, I think he took one of the digs, but the Z spun, so they never both got a clean one in together. But you know, there were, I think what did he say, like 2 cars, and the Z didn't move. So man, his car's a beast. His car's a beast because that Z06 is nothing to play with. Raw talent, man. Hit them up if you guys are in the area. You already know I'm gonna put it on the screen. They could get you parts. They got the dyno. They're working on. They're gonna be tuning pretty soon. So man, stay tuned because they got a lot of stuff on the way. A lot of stuff in the works.